Time is weird thing. One moment you froze. A minute feels like an hour. But after that, you didn't even notice how quickly time went. And somehow you are in the bar with the guy who you just met at the street. He knows who you are, and he had put an eye for you for a long time. He just wants that you confirm that you are the person who he is looking. Stay tuned for the next one.